We hear it all the time from YNABers. Before they started a budget, they used to really look forward to payday because they'd run out of money ages ago and had been living on ramen noodles for days. Now that you're budgeting, you'll still look forward to payday, but not because you're broke. Payday will mean you can get into your budget and start giving those dollars jobs. That's right, you're gonna become a huge budgeting nerd. It's inevitable. Anyway, let me show you what to do in YNAB when you get paid. Your paycheck is just like any other transaction. You're gonna enter it in the account where it happened. So let's say I just got paid into my checking account. So I'll click add a transaction right here. And we'll put in the payee. In this case, it'll be employer. Category is to be budgeted. And let's say I made $1,000. Big difference here is you want to put this in the inflow column, not the outflow column. $1,000, so I'll click save. And you'll see the checking account balance has gone up. And if I look at the budget, I'll see that $1,000 has been added to be budgeted right at the top. And that means I need to follow rule 1 again and give all of those dollars jobs. On the mobile app, you'll enter your paycheck just like any other transaction. Tap that add a transaction button down at the bottom. And the big thing you want to do is be sure you click this little toggle button here to make it an inflow rather than an outflow. Put in the amount. And put in the payee. In my case, it'll be, I'll just call it employer, but you can call it whatever you like. And the category, of course, will be to be budgeted. And that's going into my checking account, so I'll be sure I get that right too. Save that transaction, and you see that money is added right at the top in to be budgeted. So pretty simple. When you get paid, have a little fun. Embrace your inner budgeting nerd, and then just follow rule 1 and give every one of those dollars jobs.